Hello everybody, this is Mr. Nardelli speaking. Tonight I'm going to talk to you about plotting ordered pairs and finding coordinates. Now on the axis, the coordinate plane, an ordered pair is always listed in alphabetical order. Notice what I have here. I'll put a space between that. And it's always parentheses, number, comma, number, parentheses. There's no leeway in that. For example, if you, this ending one, -2, comma, -4, if you had written it like this, it's incorrect. Make sure you put those parentheses. Okay, when we graph the ordered pairs, it's always understood that the first one is listed alphabetically. Most of the times it will be XY, but this could be listed as RS or AB or anything. So it must be ordered in alphabetical order. The axis is always like this. The x-axis is the horizontal, the y-axis is the vertical. The way I remember the y-axis being vertical is, let me draw a little shape here. Well, we don't need to draw the shape. The letter Y, notice the bottom of the Y has a vertical line and it matches the vertical line of the y-axis. So when we're graphing ordered pairs, for example, when we're graphing the ordered pair 3, 5, I'm going to always start at the origin. That's the center. And the number 3 states that I'm going to go 3 in the positive direction. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and then I'm going to go 5 in the positive direction, which is up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I will move my little dot, and I'll put a little dot. That's going to be as good as I can get it. And it's a good idea to label it around there too. 3, 5. Now, I just noticed I don't have enough room, so I'm going to call this 5. So my next ordered pair is 5, -2. Once again, I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to move 5 in the positive direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But this time I'm going to move 2 in the negative direction, which is down. 1, 2. So my ordered pair for 5, -2 goes right there. Now 0, 3. This one can be tricky because 0 means I'm going to go in the horizontal direction 0 times. So that means basically I'm staying here. I'm not going anywhere. Then I'm going to move in the positive direction 3. 1, 2, 3. So this ordered pair actually is on the y-axis. And notice my last ordered pair, -2, -4. I'm going to go 1, 2 in the negative direction, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 in the negative direction also. So I will put my ordered pair there. Okay, now when we get down to some other things, the the quadrants of the ordered pair are always listed 1, 2, 3, 4. They're always listed as Roman numerals as well. They start in the top right-hand corner and they go counterclockwise around. 1, 2, 3, 4. You may have a question that says, what quadrant is the ordered pair 2, 3 in? Now, if you don't just know that, you're going to have to go ahead and order them. Now, you're going to have a question that says, determine whether 2, 7 and -1, 6 are solutions to this equation. Notice this equation is Q and P, so it's not X and Y, and it's in unalphabetical order. So P comes before Q. So it's understood it's always in alphabetical order, so what we'll do is just plug these into the equation. So we'll say 4 times Q, which is 7, minus 3 times P, which is 7, and then we'll solve, and we have 28 minus 21, and 22 equals 22, so that's a true statement. 2, 7 is an ordered pair of that equation. Now, as we move down, we're going to take negative 1, 6. So we'll plug negative 1 into the P position, I mean, in a P position, because it's over here, and 6 in the Q position, and then we will have 24 plus 3. Remember, negative times negative is a positive, and this states that 27 equals 22, which is false. So we've determined that negative 1, 6 is not a solution to that equation. If you need anything else, feel free to email me at nardelli.efsc@gmail.com. Thanks.